Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can add the 20 moving average in TradingView chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your TradingView chart, then go to indicators. Click on it and type here simple. Okay, simple moving average. So choose this one. And as you can see here, this is our moving average. Now we want to make it a 20 moving average. So go to this arrow right here, click on it, and choose this one, SMA9. Click on the gear icon, go to input, and type here 20. Okay, because this one will be a 20 moving average. Go to style, and we have here the color and the thickness of the moving average. So let's choose, for example, red, and the thickness I will choose, for example, this one. After you finish, click on OK. And as you can see here, this is our 20 moving average. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.